At Union County Kia, we realize these are challenging times. We are open as normal and have added multiple new ways to purchase or service your vehicle. Our team is dedicated to providing top-notch sales and service for our community. The safety and health of our customers and team members is our top priority. We are sanitizing all high-traffic areas every hour, adding an additional deep sanitization cleaning weekly along with our normal nightly cleanings. We assigned a safety officer to inspect that all cleanings are performed as specified. We are disinfecting all vehicles after test drives. We have modified our staff schedules, rearranged our customer area to 6 feet or more. If you're more comfortable staying at home, we have you covered. We have online tools to help you buy your new vehicle right from your home. Test drives and home deliveries for our service guests are also available. For our service guests, we are offering pickup and delivery from your house. 10% off for customers who choose to drop off their vehicles instead of waiting. We are here for all of your sales and service needs. Union County Kia is just a short drive from 485, in minutes from Charlotte in Monroe, or online at unioncountykia.com. That's UNIONCOUNTYKIA.com.